Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you are here today, then we are going to be focusing on the eyebrows. You know, the whole world is going through
pandemic. Scary.
So our eyebrow ladies are closed for business currently, and these caterpillars are growing on our faces, which is not right. So if you want to see how I groom my eyebrows at home, then keep watching. So I like to start off by just, brushing my eyebrows up. I normally thread my eyebrows because it takes longer to grow back when I thread it versus waxing. Waxing, I find that my eyebrows grow back very quickly, as well as using a blade. You could also use a blade at home. I know some people find that easier and it's also less painful. But then if I use a blade like these ones or the longer ones, my eyebrows will grow back the next day. So I prefer to use tweezers to help me make sure I don't take off too much hair. You know, eyebrows is something you don't want to play with, okay? You don't want to mess up either. So I take my eyebrow pencil in my color. If you really want to see the line, then you can also use white. But I like to take it in a brown, and I like to just line my eyebrows. Just do like a line underneath. Just right there. So I do that so that I know everything that is not in that line gotta go. And I just start tweezing the hair. It does hurt, I'm not gonna lie. And I usually turn red, but you know, beauty is pain. So far, I'm liking how it's looking. I'm just gonna brush it up. Then I'm gonna take my mini scissors. These are grooming scissors. I think they're specific for, facial grooming. So I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna trim whatever is like sticking up. And then I'm gonna bring all the hairs down and do the same thing. So whatever is outside of that line, I'm going to trim. And then I'm just gonna groom the top a little bit. And then I don't usually have too much hair here. There, I think I'm pretty satisfied. There's one side done, see? There's done, not done. Done, not done.
Damn!
So I'm just going to speed through the other eyebrow because I'm going to be following the exact same steps.
Okay, so after I'm satisfied with the look completely, Then I take either witch hazel, alcohol, or toner, any astringent to just go over my eyebrows because you know you don't want to break out in that area. I usually use witch hazel, but today I want to try this fresh kombucha cleansing treatment that I received from influencer. So I just put it on a cotton pad. I'm just gonna wipe the area. So here's the finished look. We look human again. If you turned red underneath your eyebrows, don't worry. It will leave in about an hour or so, but at least we look human again. The caterpillars are gone. We are butterflies again. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
For if you listen to the word and don't obey, it is like glancing at your face in a mirror. You see yourself, walk away, and forget what you look like. James 1:23-24.